Welcome back, children. The chapter is Polynomials for Standard 9. This is part 2. So, in the first part we discussed about the degree, what is a polynomial, the degree of the polynomial and various terms connected to this to a polynomial. Now, here we will be learning about the value of a polynomial, 0 of a polynomial. So, suppose f of x is equal to px squared plus qx plus r. This is a polynomial. So, you have to find a polynomial, okay, f of x. So, if you have to find the polynomial f of a, you have to simply substitute in the place of x, you have to substitute the value of as a. So, the value of the polynomial p of x at x is equal to a is obtained by putting x is equal to a in the polynomial, and it is denoted as p of a. So, when you see the example, you will understand it better. If p of x is equal to 3x squared minus 5x plus 6 is given, you have to find the value of the polynomial when x is equal to 2. So, we denote it as p of 2. So, in the place of x, you will put 2. This x you will put 2. So, 3 into 2 squared minus 5 into 2 plus 6. So, 2 into 2 4 into 3 12 minus 10 plus 6, it is 8. So, value of the polynomial at x is equal to 2 is 8, and we denote it as p of 2. Consider this polynomial f of x is equal to x squared plus 2 root 2x plus 1. You have to find f of 2 root 2. That is, in the place of x you will put 2 root 2 the whole squared plus 2 root 2 into x is 2 root 2 again here plus 1. So, 2 root 2 the whole squared. So, 2 into it will be 2 root 2 into 2 root 2. So, 2 into 2 4, root 2 into root 2 is 2. So, 4 into 2 8, 8 plus again 8 plus 1 equal to 70. This is what is value of a polynomial. Coming to zeros of a polynomial, let p of x be a polynomial. You learn how to find the value pa. So, you find pa, and if it is equal to 0, then you can say a is the 0 of the polynomial. Consider this example, p of x x cube plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6. We have to find which are the zeros of the polynomial. They have given p of 2, p of minus 1 and p of 0. So, we will first find out p of 2. So, you have already learned how to find. So, yes, in the place of x you are putting 2 cube plus 2 into 2 squared minus 5 into 2 minus 6. So, when you simplify you get the value as 0. So, when p of 2 equal to 0, you have already learned this here, p of a equal to 0, then a is the 0 of the polynomial. So, p of 2 equal to 0, therefore, 2 is a 0, 2 is one of the zeros of the polynomial. Here x cube, so you will have maximum of 3 zeros, it can be no 0, 1 0, 2 0 or 3 zeros. So, 2 is one of the zeros of the polynomial. P of minus 1, again in the place of x you substitute minus 1 and then simplify, you will get equal to 0. That means p of minus 1 equal to 0. So, that means minus 1 is also a 0 of the polynomial. P of 0, when you substitute x is equal to 0, you will get minus 6. So, that means p of 6 is equal to minus 6, it is not equal to 0. Therefore, 0 is not a 0 of the polynomial. So, I hope it is clear. So, try to do some more problems from your exercise. So, division algorithm, this also you would have learned in standard 8. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. We will take an example 25 divided by 4. You will get 6 as the quotient and 1 as the remainder. So, 25 is called the dividend and 4 is called the divisor, and 6 is the quotient and 1 is the remainder. Now, if you see the divisor divisor can be equal to, or it should be either less or it can be equal to the dividend, and quotient, and the same applies for the polynomials also. The degree of the dividend should be the degree of the dividend, that is this portion, should be greater than or equal to the divisor. And coming to quotient, quotient is always lesser than the dividend. Similarly, the degree of the quotient is always less than the dividend, and the remainder will be always less than the divisor. So, here degree of the remainder is always less than the degree of the divisor. So, these questions may come in your MCQ questions. So, try to understand using this simple example. Now, coming to long division. Now, you can divide a polynomial by another polynomial where your divisor is less than or equal to the, that is the degree of the divisor is less than or equal to the degree of the dividend. So, here the first thing that you should notice, you have to write all the x terms in a descending order according to the degree of the x term. So, x to the power of 4, x cube, x squared, x, and the last is quotient. In case some of the term is not there, you have to add one 0. Okay, we will continue. So, first we will try to eliminate the first terms, that is what we have to do. So, x into, so in the side you can write it down and check, x into something is equal to x to the power of 4. So, all the first terms you have to keep on eliminating, that is how you do the division. So, x into x cube, you will get x to the power of 4. So, x cube minus 2x cube. Now, you have to subtract. So, 2x cube, 2 minus minus 2, it becomes 4. So, it will be 4x cube minus, bring down the next term, 3x squared. Now, x into dash equal to 4x cube. So, 4x squared is what you have to multiply, plus 4x squared. So, 4x cube minus, you have to multiply with 2 also. So, minus 8x squared, subtract minus 3 minus minus 8 equal to 8 minus 3 is 5. Do this separately till you become comfortable, where you can do it mentally, because initially you will tend to make mistakes. So, x into dash is equal to 5x squared. So, 5x is what you have to multiply. So, plus 5x. So, you have to be careful with the signs also, plus and minus. So, 5x into minus 2. So, minus 10x. Again 1 minus minus 10. So, 11x minus 1. So, plus 11. So, 11x minus 22. So, minus 1 minus minus 22. So, it will become 22 minus 1, 21. So, this is the remainder. So, this is the quotient. Now, in this question, if you see, you do not have x squared term, 3x to the power of 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1. So, what you should do is you should add 0 x squared and then do it. If without that also you can do, but initially you will find it difficult to do it. So, it is better you add 0 x squared, whichever term is missing you add 0 and that term. If it is suppose x cube is missing, 0 x cube, x term is missing, so 0 x, and then continue. So, again we will do it fast. So, x into dash is 3x to the power of 4. So, 3 x cube. So, 3x to the power of 4 minus 6x cube. So, minus 4 minus 6, 6 minus 4 2. So, 2x cube plus 0x squared. So, you will multiply with x into dash is equal to 2x cube. So, 2x square. So, 2x cube. So, minus 4x square. Hope it is clear. 2x cube minus 4x squared, yes. Now, 0 minus minus 4 equal to plus 4, 4x squared minus 3x. Now, x into dash is equal to 4x squared. So, 4x you have to multiply. So, plus 4x square minus 8x. So, minus 3x minus 8x. So, 5x minus 1. So, plus 5. So, 5x minus 10 minus 1 minus 10. So, 10 minus 1 is 9. So, 9 is the remainder. We will do one more problem. Here all the terms are there and it is written in descending order. So, 12x cube. So, multiply 3x into dash equal to 12x cube. So, 4x squared. So, 4x squared 12x cube plus 8x square. So, minus 13 minus 8. So, minus 21. Minus 21x squared minus 5x. So, multiply by 3x into dash equal to minus 21x squared. So, it is minus 7x is what you have to multiply. So, minus 7x minus 21x square minus 14x. So, minus 5 minus 14 9. So, 9x plus 7. So, 3x into 3 you will get 9x. So, 9x plus 3 into 2 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. So, 1 is the remainder. So, now we have, based on this we will learn remainder theorem and factor theorem. You can find this remainder without doing the long division. So, I will see you again in my next video. So, till then keep practicing. Have a nice day.